Hello everyone, thanks for clicking this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. If you're new here, also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when next I upload a new video. Mathematical expectation, also known as expected value, is the measure of the central tendency of a random variable. Now there are two concepts of mathematical expectation. The first, which talks about the representation of expected value, and the second talks about the formula for finding expected value or mathematical expectation. Wherever you hear expected value or mathematical expectation, they are the same thing. The first concept implies that mathematical expectation represents the average value or outcome of a random experiment or event. While the second concept, which talks about the formula for finding expected value, states that mathematical expectation is calculated by multiplying each outcome by its probability and summing the results. So in that case, the formula for expected value is equal to the sum of value of outcome times the probability of that same outcome. Mind you, expected value can be written as E. It can also be represented as EV. So whether you see EV or you see E, the both of them are still talking about mathematical expectation or expected value. They are still the same thing. So now that we know the formula for mathematical expectation or expected value, let's solve a question. So the first question I have here is, if a man buys a raffle ticket, he can get a first prize of 5,000 or a second prize of 2,000 with a probability of 0.001 for the first prize and a probability of 0.003 for the second prize. Determine the expected value. So from the question, the first event we have is 5,000. He bought a raffle ticket and the first event is that he's going to win 5,000. And the second event is that he will win 2,000. Now the probability for the first event, these are outcome, this is an outcome. And this is first outcome, and then this is the second outcome. Now, the probability for the first outcome is equal to 0.001. While the probability for the second outcome is equal to 0.003. So the formula implies that we should multiply each value of outcome by its own probability and then sum them together. So let's put this into the formula. 5,000 multiplied by 0.001. This is the bracket. Then we sum it with 2,000 multiplied by 0.003. By the time you sum 5,000, by the time you multiply 5,000 by 0.001, you have 5 plus 2,000 times 0.003 gives 6. So the final answer here is 11. Alright, I have another example here which says, using the table above, solve for A, estimated value of x, B, the estimated value of x raised to the power of 2 inside the bracket, then C, estimated value of x minus x bar close bracket raised to the power of 2, and then D, the standard deviation. Now to solve for x, remember the formula says to multiply each outcome by its probability and then sum the result together. So if I do that for x, it will be equal to the summation of x times the probability of x. So we have x8 our probability of x 1 over 8 plus 12. Probability of 12 is 1 over 6 plus 16. Probability of 16 is 3 over 8. Then 20 is 1 plus 20. Probability of 20 is 1 over 4. And then last one we have 24. Multiply by the probability of 24, which is 1 over 12. Now the next thing you have to do is to divide the probability so you can multiply it by the outcome. So we have 8. 1 divided by 8 give us 0.125 plus 12. 1 divided by 6 will give us 0.167 plus 16. 1 divided by 3 will give us 0.375 plus 20. 1 divided by 4, 0.25 plus 24. 1 divided by 12 give us 0.083. Now the next thing we do is to multiply the outcome by its probability before summing them together. So 8 multiplied by 0.125 will give us 1 plus 12 multiplied by 0.167 give us 2. 16 multiplied by 0.375 give us 6 plus 20 multiplied by 0.25 give us 5 plus 24 multiplied by 0.083 give us 2. Sum everything, you arrive at 16. So your estimated value is equal to 16. That was for A. Now the B part of this equation says we find the estimated value of x raised to the power of 2. Now if you observe, the power 2 is inside the bracket, which means that the value of x now will change. Instead of 8, we'll be having 8 raised to the power of 2. Now assuming the power 2 was outside the bracket, then we'll solve for x first, like we did for A. Then as we got 16, it will be 16 raised to the power of 2. That's if the power was outside the bracket. So now since the power is inside the bracket, the formula will be summation of x raised to the power of 2 multiplied by the probability of x. So we have our x as 8 8 raised to the power of 2 give us 16. 1 divided by 8 is equal to 0.125 plus 12 raised to the power of 2, 144, multiplied by 1 divided by 6, 0.167. 16 raised to the power of 2 give us 256 multiplied by 3 over 8, which is 0.375 plus 20 raised to the power of 2 give us 400 multiplied by 1 over 4, which is 0.25 plus 24 raised to the power of 2 give us 576 multiplied by the probability of 24, which is 1 over 8, 0.083. Now you multiply the value by its probability. So 16 multiplied by 0.125 give us 8 plus 144 multiplied by 0.12167 is 2. Sorry, 148 multiplied by 0.167 is 24 plus 256 multiplied by 0.375 give us 96. 400 multiplied by 0.25 give us 100 plus 576 multiplied by 0.083 give us 48. And then you sum everything, and the final answer will be 276. That's the estimated value, 276. Now the next question says we should look for the mean of x. After looking for the mean of x, we should subtract the mean of x from the value of x, then raise it up to the power of 2 before multiplying it by the probability of x. So the formula should be summation of x minus x bar, bracket is outside, the power is outside, multiplied by the probability of x. So the first thing we need to do is to find our x bar, which is the mean of x. And to find the mean of x, we sum all the outcomes of x and then divide them by the total number of outcomes. So we have our x bar is equal to 8 plus 12 plus 16 plus 20 plus 24. You sum it up together, you have 8. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 outcomes. So 80 divided by 5 will give you 16. So your mean, your x mean is equal to 16. Now you subtract, to put into the formula, you subtract your x mean value of x. In that case, we have x here is 8, so we have 8 minus 16 is the power of 2 multiplied by 8 minus 16 is the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 8. Next one is 12 plus 12 minus 16 multiplied by 1 over 6 plus 16. We have 16 minus 16. Okay, we have the power of 2 here, the power of 2 multiplied by b over 8. Next one is 20. 20 minus 16 is the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 4 plus 24 minus 16 is the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 12. The next thing that we do is to subtract it from each other. So we have 8 minus 16 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 is the power of 2. 1 divided by 8 gives us 0.125 plus 12 minus 16 gives us minus 4. Minus 4 is the power of 2 multiplied by 0. We have 1 over 6 here. 1 divided by 6 gives us 0.167 plus 16 minus 16 is 0. This is the power of 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 8, which is 0.375 plus, I think I should go for now the next is 20 minus 16. And 20 minus 16 is 4. 4 is the power of 2 multiplied by 1 over 4. 1 divided by 4 is 0.25 plus 24 minus 16 is 8. This is the power of 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 12, 0.083. So now the next thing to do now is raise it up to the power of 2 and then we multiply it by probability. So we have minus 8 raised to the power of 2 is 64. 64. We have 0.125. 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. Minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. Plus 16. 0.167. multiplied by 0.25, 0.25 plus 8 to the power of 2 is 64. 64 multiplied by 0.083. So now since we've gotten to this point, we can multiply, and after multiplying, we sum the results and get our final answer. So 64 multiplied by 0.125 to give us 8. Give us 8 plus 16 multiplied by 0.163 plus 0 multiplied by 0.3760 plus 16 multiplied by 0.25 is 4. 64 multiplied by 0.083 is 5. And then you sum everything, you should get 20 as the final answer. So estimated value of x minus x bar is equal to 20. And the last question says we should find the standard deviation. Now, the standard deviation is the square root of the variance, and we already got it as 20. So now we just need to find the square root of 20. So standard deviation is square root of variance. So equals to the square root of variance, and our variance is here is already 20. So the square root of 20 is equal to 4.47. That's our final answer. Hello viewers, thanks for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when next I drop a new video. Also, do not forget to react and share my videos to your friends. Thank you.